Oh, hey. Cooking up some onions. Try not to cry. With our good buddy, Chef D. Hey,
How are you, brother?
Awesome, man. So March break,
Yes.
trying to get these kids to eat things is always difficult.
Yes, and my grandkids, you know, your kids,
Yeah.
everything like that. Just thought, why don't we do mac and cheese March break style? We do one for adults, one for kids, right? So we're going to do a Chef D and Tim mac and cheese.
I was going to say, what is in the adult one?
Well, I have some, just over here, I just have some onions and garlic. We've just quickly sauteed them off. And let's, as you're mentioning.
That is the greatest smell.
Right?
Onion, garlic, and bacon.
Right, and then we're going to add some cooking wine. Because, you know, you cook with the inexpensive wine and you drink the nice stuff.
There you go, right? But cooking with wine is always important, right?
It is, it is.
It adds a little bit of texture to it.
Right, exactly. So for our basis of our mac and cheese, and in classic old school recipes is that you used to use like a roux and flour and that, right? And I think with so many gluten intolerances and that why don't we stay away from that? So we I make a basis of cream and a little bit of cream cheese in here.
That's all that's there.
That's all that's there, okay? And we're just gonna melt this down just like so. And then we're gonna add some cheese to this. So
what type of cheese we have?
So for us, I have some beautiful Bothwell cheese. So we have some red wine and truffle cheese here, some aged cheddar. And then for the kids, again, you're trying to get them to eat cheese and that healthy, some medium cheddar with some mozzarella.
Because, yeah, the truffle is a little tough.
It is.
For kids, I love it. You know
Exactly,
what I mean?
because don't forget, kids have, their taste buds are like going a million miles an hour, right?
Mm-hmm.
And as we get older, our taste buds dull a little bit. So again, it's a big
Much
flavor.
like our personalities.
So for the kids, I just brought some straight macaroni. Now, when you're cooking your macaroni, you might want to just taste that. You can just see there's a little bite to it yet.
A little al dente?
Yes, because
Because you still got to put it in the oven.
Exactly. So then what we're going to do is put a little bit of our cheese, if you want to put that in there.
The other thing too is like a noodle. I was like, there's a different type of noodle called Scooby-Doo noodles when we're making mac and cheese. Specifically, Liz is making mac and cheese because it's a little funky.
Yep.
You know what I mean?
So then we're just going to
holds a lot
pour
of
over
stuff.
our sauce.
It's like a twisted noodle.
Just some cream, again, cream cheese. Now you're going to add some more cheese to that.
More cheese to
Yeah.
that.
And then we're going to finish it with a little bit of panko breadcrumbs.
Oh, nice. So
And that's it.
Don't mix it up.
Don't mix it up. Nope.
Okay.
So now for the adult, we're going to put in some, almost like a fusilli.
Yeah.
So then you're going to put your cheese in.
What was this cheese again?
It's a combination of truffle and red wine.
Truffle and red
Yeah,
wine.
our good friends from Bothwell. And then we're going to add in our bacon and wine.
Ooh, nice.
Okay.
So mix this up.
Yep.
Mix that all together. Okay.
We're going to add a little bit more pasta.
Nice. And same thing, a little al dente.
Yeah.
We still have
And I'm just going to add a
oven.
little bit of black pepper.
Yeah.
And you were mentioning off air, like you like a little bit of hot sauce. Hot
Yeah.
sauce is great with this. So if you want to add some Frank's hot sauce, that'd be fantastic.
Would you add that now or
Yes.
after it comes out of the oven?
I would add it now.
You
Yeah.
cook with it in there.
And then
okay.
we're going to add our
Oh,
cream
you're adding
and our
all that
cream
in
and
there.
cheese in there, okay?
Right. So adding that all in there. Is there another cheese that's going in here?
And we're just going to add a little bit of aged cheddar now.
Oh, aged cheddar? Not the whole
Right?
thing?
The whole thing if you want.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
We're adults.
Cheese. Who doesn't love cheese?
I know, right?
Oh, there we go.
And then we're going to place this in a preheated 350-degree oven, and you're going to bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes. You really don't need that much time because almost everything in here is cooked. You're just really reheating it. So with the magic of TV and timing, Tim, are you ready to eat?
Hello? You got it ready to go?
Yes. So we have the Tim and Chef D version.
Nice.
Be careful, it's hot.
Okay.
And then we have the
Our forks.
Right. So give that a whirl. So try the young people's first.
The young people.
Again, it's just, and because it's a mozzarella, you got lots of string, and I think when you bring it out, let
like
the kids
that,
do
right?
right.
Yeah, you
right?
can take it out and you can play them.
100%, 100%, right?
Very nice.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe let it sit a little bit longer for the kids before it gets too hot, or as we do at home, super blows.
Super blows.
You need some super blows.
You need a little. Now try the. Now you're going to try the adult.
Look I'm changing forks, everybody, so you don't need to email in. I'm changing forks. The crew is loving that, so they can eat this. Okay, so then I'm going into this.
Right. So again, we have the aged cheddar, we have the truffle, we have the red wine.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
A little bit of bacon, a little bit of onion, a little bit of garlic, white wine in that. Again, it's an easy dinner, but dress it up some, and then that way you can get some different flavors going on, and it's really cool. And you know, again, if you like heat, I know Bothwell has like a jalapeno cheddar.
You can add it.
Exactly.
It doesn't have to be this type of cheese.
No.
You can't alternate the cheese.
That's
you can
right.
really go any type of cheese.
100%. Like you know, if you really want to take it up to the next level,
Yeah.
get some triple cream brie, melt that in with your cream,
What?
right?
Craziness. Grab me a bowl. Okay. Where can we find these recipes, Chef?
You can go to our website, chefdtv.com, and we'll have a whole bunch more recipes up there for you.
Can you grab me another bowl? I need 3
Okay.
bowls because I got to fish this out for
Okay.
those characters in the studio. 'Cause if
Okay,
I don't
yes.
bring them any back, then
Yes,
you know
I
it's
know.
a whole big
All right.
deal. Jeffy, great seeing you.
Great seeing you. Thanks a lot.